villi, so that makes this a zoomed in layer of the tunics of these small intestines. Okay, so these structures are called villi. Mucosa goes from here to here. Submucosa from here to here. Muscularis externa. And then your serosa is the very outer. Okay, this one gets a lot more detailed. Within the mucosa, okay, you have the simple squamous epithelium with the blue, which are your goblet cells. The epithelium forms the villi, and then it also plunges into these structures, which we call intestinal crypts. Within the villi, you have the capillaries where you're absorbing nutrients. Okay, you also have these lymphatic vessels called lacteals where you're absorbing fat. That's all going to be collected by the cisterna chyli, and that's why we call it chyle, and it's milky. Okay, it's because the lacteals absorb the lymph. This is a lymphoid nodule. So this is MALT, okay, or lymphoid nodule, accept either one. This is your muscularis mucosae, okay, which is just two little small layers of smooth muscle. Within the submucosa, you have larger lymphatic vessels, larger, I would probably say arterioles, venules at this point, no longer capillaries. These are what are going to form your superior mesenteric artery that would then go to your hepatic portal system. Some parts of the intestines have glands in this area. They're called duodenal or Brunner's glands. And when you see glands in the submucosa, that's how you know you're looking at the duodenum or duodenum of the small intestine versus jejunum or ileum. This is your muscularis externa with the inner circular smooth muscle layer, outer longitudinal. Between the two is your myenteric plexus. This is the nerve plexus, which is going to control these muscles. So when parasympathetic is activated, information from cranial nerve 10 will control this nerve, and it causes constriction of these layers, which we call peristalsis. And then the outer serosa, you really don't have to know that much, just serosa.